Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Science Academy. In today's lecture, we will talk about the gaseous exchange. The term gaseous exchange in biology refers to the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen between the organism and its environment. The organism use carbon dioxide and oxygen for the process of photosynthesis and respiration. So, what are the need of oxygen and carbon dioxide in photosynthesis and respiration? Photosynthesis is the process in which plants use the energy of sunlight and carbon dioxide and water molecule to prepare food. So, during this photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is the integral component for the production of food, while during photosynthesis, at the end of the photosynthesis process, the oxygen is released as a byproduct during this whole process, and the plant release this oxygen into the environment. On other hand, talking about the respiration system, respiration is an oxidation reduction process. It involves the breakdown of food molecule into simpler component with the release of energy. So during respiration, uh, carbon dioxide is released as a byproduct to the environment. As we know that during photosynthesis, oxygen was released as a byproduct to the environment, which is required for respiration. So the organism take the oxygen from the environment for the process of respiration. While during respiration, carbon dioxide was formed as a byproduct and released to the environment. And on other hand, plant required carbon dioxide for the production of food. So the plant take carbon dioxide from the environment for the process of photosynthesis. So these are actually the requirement of carbon dioxide and oxygen. To summarize the whole lecture, I will tell you that gaseous exchanges refer to the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is required for the process of respiration, while carbon dioxide is required for the process of photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, oxygen is produced as a byproduct. So the plant release oxygen into the environment, while during respiration, oxygen is required for the process of breakdown of food molecule, and during this respiration, the carbon dioxide are released as as a byproduct to the environment. So both plant and animal benefit each other, and the organism give carbon dioxide to the plant, while plant give oxygen to the animal.